Okay guys, so we just got back from Trader Joe's. Yes, I have Bradley here today.
Do I have to be here?
They complain when you're not.
It's because I'm the best.
Okay. We just got back from Trader Joe's. It's not the biggest haul, but there's a lot of new stuff, so I figured I'd show you, and we got Bradley.
Sure, I'm eating.
Eating a snack while we're filming. How unprofessional. So we'll start with produce. We got, also my nails are atrocious. I apologize, so just look at my ring instead, because that's pretty. Good, yeah, just look at that. So we have red bell peppers, Honeycrisp apples, a couple of bananas, Roma tomato, a few lemons and limes because we still have some from there, sweet potatoes, regular, what are these? Dutch yellow baby potatoes. These are our favorite potatoes to buy. And then mini grape tomatoes. I like these better than the sugar whatever tomatoes. Some cucumber, not broccoli, what's it, right there, cauliflower. And then the diced onions we always get. Here's some new items, this creamy tomato soup seasoned crackers.
Open them up!
Which Bradley wants to try those, so you open those up. They also have two, excuse me.
Choking on a sesame stick.
They also have new dish soap, which I'm kind of bummed about. I liked the original dish soap we had, but we got one of each scent, lavender tea tree and citrus. So hopefully it works as good as their last dish soap and it smells good. Wow, I really couldn't get that out of my mouth. You try it.
Oh my god.
Let me try.
It just kicked in tomato soup.
Whoa. Yeah. We got some more of our favorite organic white corn tortilla chips. Then here's the real fun stuff. They have a bunch of new beauty products. The two I picked up today were this, which I've been looking for and they didn't have, but today they had it. This Trader Joe's Rose Facial Oil. You guys know I love the Pixie Rose Oil, so hopefully that'll be just as good. And then the, focus, Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum. So I'm excited to try both of these. And then these beauty products I've already picked up. I am trying and loving the Rosewater Facial Toner. I'll try this out some more and then let you guys know while it really doesn't want to stay focused. I also tried the Rose Hand Cream. This one's probably my least favorite of them all. It's okay, but to me it smells like watermelon, not rose, so I don't know. And then they have this hair mask, which a lot of you have been tweeting me and commenting me about. Shea butter and coconut oil hair mask. I used it once, it seemed pretty good, but I'll keep using it and let you guys know. And then I picked up my favorite shave cream, which Bradley saw and he wants to try too. We got some ground turkey, 2 bags of the brown rice penne pasta. I love their brown rice pasta. We got this cheese pizza with cauliflower crust, which don't knock it till you try it. It's actually really good. The reduced guilt mac and cheese. I'm slightly devastated that they don't have the butternut squash mac and cheese anymore, but I still have one in the freezer, so don't eat it. It's for me. We have these sprouted wheat bagels, which Bradley hates, but I like them. Lactose-free, fat-free milk. They got rid of our Lactaid there, so they replaced it with this. So there's that. Bradley got this Pasadena salad. Strawberry bars we like, and have you ever tried these before?
No. I usually get the green box. I went with a different kind.
Sweet and savory and tart. Trail mix granola bars.
That sounds good.
Yum. And that's it.
We did it.
We did it. How's your snack of apple cheese and
I'm just
crackers?
eating everything in sight.
We just went to lunch.
I know.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope
I'm so glad you could stop snacking for this whole video.
You're sitting in front of your computer right now. It's around, like 4:30 and you got, a few more hours a day and I want you to go out and have a great rest of your day, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye.